Hello learners, welcome back to SmartBot Sphere. In today's video, we will learn how to create a simple Google search automation using Power Automate Desktop. This is a beginner-friendly project, so if you are new to automation, this is a perfect place to start. By the end of this video, you will know, using Power Automate Desktop, how to open browser automatically, navigate to Google, enter search text, click search button and view results automatically. Let's get started. Here is my Power Automate Desktop. Let's create new flow. Give a meaningful name. Click Create button. Then new flow gets created. In the Action section, type Launch Chrome. Drag and drop the action into the Flow section. Look at the launch mode. Here we have two options: Launch New Instance and Attach to Running Instance if you want to continue web scraping with the open tab. Next is initial URL of the website will be entered here. Third is window state, either normal or maximized or minimized. I used to prefer maximized for my automation. Next, the target desktop will be your local computer. Finally, browser interaction method. Choose browser extension. You can see a variable produced named browser. Here is URL section where we need to enter the Google URL. Let's copy it from browser. Now paste the URL and click Save button. Launch Chrome action is added with the details we have configured. We can test this also. Good, it launched Google page. Now, let's start adding elements one by one for our automation. In the right panel, select the element option and click Add UI element. Hover the mouse on the text box. Do Ctrl+click in your keyboard to pick the element. Similarly do for Google search button. Save the changes. Look at the right panel. The elements are added. One more thing. We also need to press Tab key after typing content to make search button visible. We will be adding it in the flow steps. We have everything okay to create the flow now. Start adding populate text filed on the web page action under browser automation and under web form filling. Select the text area for search element from drop-down. In the text section, type the keyword to be searched. I type, what is Power Automate Desktop? Click Save button. Step 2 is added. Now we add Tab key. There are some scenarios where element cannot be captured in some application, where add multiple Tab key for navigation and Enter key for pressing button. In our use case, we add one Tab key from keyboard actions. Type Send keys in Action section and select Send keys under Mouse and Keyboard section. Select Tab key from Insert Special Keys drop-down. Delay time can be changed here. Everything is okay. Click Save button. One more instruction: if you want to press multiple tab, you can also copy-paste the tab formula multiple times. Now add press button action for clicking Google search button. Select the button element we added from drop-down. Click Save button. All steps are added. Let's run the flow and test it. Okay, it is getting into steps. Launched Chrome, typing our text. Also click the button. Great! We achieved. It is showing the result. As a next step, you can try copy-paste this content to Word or Notepad file. I hope it was useful. Like the video and subscribe SmartBot Sphere. Thanks for watching.